Hey friends, quick question. Who doesn't love saving money while staying safe online? Yeah, me too. So let's talk about this insane NordVPN deal I just found. Right now, with my special link down in the description, you can get 74% off NordVPN. Yep, 74%. And they'll even throw in 4 extra months for free. Basically, you're locking in premium online security for the price of a coffee a month. If you're not using a VPN yet, you're missing out. It keeps your browsing private, protects you on sketchy Wi-Fi, and even lets you unlock shows and content that aren't available in your country. It's like a superpower for your internet connection. And honestly, this promo is one of the best I've seen. 74% off and 4 bonus months. That's a crazy deal. So if you've been on the fence about grabbing NordVPN, now's the perfect time. Just hit the link in the description to claim the special promo. Don't miss out. Secure your internet, save a ton, and thank me later.